Bodi ya kigina kia icigo mbunge NG-CDF amwe na bodi ya kigina kia ngaaf nimekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya kuramata ugayania wa igina ici imwe cia ciuria iria cieyumiririe ari gitumi kia wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu thirikari-ini gukorwo atathorimite riboti imwe cigie uhuthiri wa kigina kiria githukirwo ambunge atumia kia ngaaf.
I think the CEO understands what I mean. We need individual county reports. This is where a lot of money has been misappropriated by the coordinators, and I'm a witness to this. So we need individual county reports so that we know what Kilifi County is doing. That is my county.
As a country, how do we move when money is just given, and this is public money, to various entities, and at the end of 5 years, 10 years down the line, it is not accounted for? And if there are audit queries, then they keep pending year after year.
Wabici ya uthurimi wa mathabu igitetera yugite ndikoretwe kiamukira riboti kuma kuri county undu uria ucungiriirie muhatikano wa riboti ici.
Is there anything moving forward that will bar you from preparing individual county reports? CEO.
For this committee to look at one CDF for all those years where there's a backlog. So you call the current accounting officer and he answers questions for all those years where the CDF, the specific CDF, has not been called to answer queries. So it's not actually difficult, and you shouldn't leave. In fact, it is your responsibility as a committee to make sure that you deliberate and examine all reports.
Counties can actually prepare individual financial statements so that we can follow up on all the monies that goes to the ground. Nonetheless, we have issued the reports up to 2022.
President William Ruto nierega guthukira kigina giki bilioni imwe makiria niguo kigina giki gikinye bilioni 3 kuma bilioni 2 no gukiri uguo ambunge atumia kamitiini ino maugite matiri maramukira mbeca ici.
The finances are very inadequate, the 2.1 billion, when you look across distributing these funds to the counties, and you go further, Chair, just to imagine at how much this translates to a particular constituency chair, you will realize that each constituency chair receives only 6.6 million.
In my counter say I'm the late governor of the county, then I cannot do. The governor has billions, we have 6.6 million per constituency.
Ndetwe kunainie na wuigiririki wa arugamiriri kigina kia NG-CDF no eyumiririe muikariri wa kamitiini Gideon Muingi akimorota ni uhuthiri wa kigina giki uru riu bodi ya kigina giki ukiurio yethe njira cia guthinga mianya iria iriho.
We've had cases at court, in the courts, of misuse of NG-CDF. How are you able to defend these cases? Or this is what has led some of these cases to be dropped because you don't have any evidence of your audit report.
And there is also a perception that when money is misused in the constituencies by the fund manager, it is the MP who has stolen. There is always that perception. And the DCI will go for the member of parliament. Here the member of parliament is not an accounting officer.
Girifotera Kamemi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.